Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA on Fortnite. So it's a very easy process. So firstly we'll need to open a browser. Now in that browser, just simply open Epic Games Store or Epic Games, and then as you can see I'm already logged in inside the Epic Games Store. Now hover over your account, click on account over here. Now after that, just simply click on password and security right over here. Now just simply scroll down and you should find the 2FA authentication or two-factor authentication. Now over here you'll have few options. You want to enable two-factor authentication using application, using email authentication or an SMS authentication. It's totally up to you. So in this case you can go with email, SMS or application, but in my case I'm going to go with SMS over here. So setting up is very easy. All you have to do is just simply click on setup, then enter your phone number right over here. After that click on continue right over here. Now wait for a few seconds. And now just simply keep a lookout for an SMS that you will receive on your number. Now the moment you will receive the code, just simply type it right over here. Then click on enable authentication. And just like that, your 2FA have been enabled. So that's how you can do this using the SMS authentication. You can also go with the email option if you click on setup over here. Then an email will be sent to you on the registered email address of Epic Games. You can simply enter the code right over here and your email authentication will also be enabled. And you can also do this with the application one as well. So if you click on setup over here, then click on continue. Now all you do is just simply scan this code with any authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. You can just simply get them directly from Play Store or App Store, or you can also enter the manual key over here. So just simply get whatever application you want, then enter the code right over here after scanning this QR over here. And the moment you will enter the code, click on activate app, and then your activation will be done for the application two-factor authenticator. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.